What's up, everybody? It's Mekel Kasanova, Hawaii's favorite YouTuber, host of Hawaii's #1 podcast, the Kasanova Podcast. I'm back at you with another unboxing video, and this is going to be for the Samsung Galaxy Watch. Now, this is fairly new. It's about a month and a half old, or maybe a little bit longer than that, but it's definitely under 6 months. And as you guys know, I previously had the Samsung Gear S3. I've had both the Classic and the Frontier. And unfortunately, my S3 Frontier decided to die on me. It would charge, basically, you know, it has 100% battery life, but for whatever reason, it wouldn't power on. So had to make that decision of going out and getting another watch. So thankfully I was able to go to my local Best Buy. They had this in stock. It was the last one, and I'm like, okay, I'm all for it. Now, I've heard a lot of great things about this watch, especially from Michael Fisher, who basically is an authority I go by. If he gives it a good glowing review, then I'm definitely for it. Also, shout out to my homie, the Tech Gentleman. Hopefully, man, I think you got the Frontier recently, but you might need to upgrade to this, brother. And if you do, I want to cop that video. I want to see it when you finish it. But yeah, so this is the 46mm one. It has, as advertised, it has a much longer battery life. It's supposed to be better for fitness and wellness tracking. You'll just automatically switch into it. It can go, it has about 39 plus workout activities, and you're able to swim with it, which is something you could do with the other one, I think, to a certain degree, up to a meter. But yeah, this is the biggest one that they make, the 46mm. So I'm excited. Let's go ahead and we'll get into this box. So let's go ahead. Always make sure you cut away from yourself. So we got that. Let us go and get that off. Got that right there. And as you guys can see, this is the Galaxy Watch. As you can see right there. Go ahead and pull the tab. So this is, throw that back in there along with this, because I'm not going to be using this. Let's put that in there. This I'll leave out because I'm going to need that and this. Let's go ahead and we're going to pull the watch out. And there's nothing else here, so just slide this back in. Like so. Put that right there. Okay, you know what? We'll just, I'm a stickler for just putting things back in their presentable forms. Anyway, here's the watch. It's got that nice band on it. It doesn't seem to be that much bigger than what I had, to be honest. Kind of thought it would be bigger with 46mm. I guess not. Slide that off. Let's peel this off. And let's go ahead and power it on. Let me go ahead and slap it on my wrist. Feels nice. Looks good. Yeah. And then I think it's automatically connecting. There you have it, folks. My watch. It's all paired now. It was real smooth. This is actually a lot faster than what it was before with the other one I had. So I can dig it. But there you have it. If you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. If you like this video, make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe, and share it. Well, I already said share, so never mind that. That's a repeat. But anyway, I will have a review for this up in a week or so, and I'll tell you guys what I think. And with that being said, too sweet, be the elite. Actually, no, I did that wrong. Deuces wild, too sweet, be the elite, and I'll catch you in the next one.
soldiers, thugs and gangbangers. Just like we showed you that last part of your life, but now it's changed to the newer era. Sick, evil, more colder than whatever. Yo, it's time I moved on. I put my title up. Everybody got defeated. It's time you hung it up. Optional. The level you on, you better settle. This would have been the closest you got to the metal if you plan to start from scratch.